Thank you. Gracias. Merci. Domo arigato. Sese. Kokomak. New and more personal ways to say thank you rather than the makauma, plain thank you, and you're welcome is what this video is all about. Stay tuned. Cleaner. Sabay labas. Napaka-timing lang talaga minsan. Kung kailan ka magsisimula mag-vlog, doon pa sila nag-iingay. Pakahusay. O, katulad ng mga tricycle na yan, tsaka mga motor. Ngayon sila magdadaanan. 5 o'clock. Salanan mo rin yan. Be thankful kasi nakakarinig ka pa. Positivity. Welcome back to our channel. This is Rab and we are down to our 4th vlog. Keep growing with me in this channel, guys. Keep sharing, keep commenting what you like me to feature in these videos, and I might feature and I might consider. Sino yun? Ang ginagawa mo? Nagbibideo ako. Takot pa ako. Inabahan ako eh. Hoy, mag-ingat ka dyan! I can thank you enough for the raining cats and dogs shares, likes, and comments to show your appreciation, and hindi tayo titigil because of all the love and support that you're giving out to this channel. Let me know your thoughts in Instagram and Facebook, and follow my updates to these lesson bias. By the way, I'm Rav, and stay tuned until the end of the video to see if you are today's shout out. If this is your first, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to learn something new every time. Also, give it a like and a comment. Feel free to sabihin what you like and don't like about this video, or just any thoughtful message to be featured in my next videos like them. This is a perfect opportunity to thank everyone around you guys, lalo na ngayong pandemic. We need to be more grateful, and there's a lot of reason to be thankful habang nabubuhay ka pa at napapanood mo tong video na to. So without further ado, let's go! Starting with thanks. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a lot. This is very trendy with millennials. Even through text, social media posts, reply, instead of the plain thank you. And matching these are no problem, no worries, no sweat. Oh sure, don't mention it. But be careful with older generation cause they might dislike it. Next up, you're my superhero, you're my angel, oh, you're my guardian angel, you're my Darna, you're my Captain Barbell, or whoever heroes na you like na ikabit sa your mind. And you can reply here by saying or writing, I know you'd do the same for me. This is somehow a very generous response to someone na natulungan ka dearly, or through a life-threatening situation, o sobrang mo talaga na-appreciate that you would like to return the favor next time. You're the best. I owe you one. What would I do without you? This, on the other hand, is a more personal way to thank someone you are close with. Somewhat very friendly and totally comforting as well, right? Especially to all the frontliners out there na walang sawa sa kanilang mga sacrifices. Thank them naman. You can reply to this by saying, oh, it was nothing. Anytime. Like meaning to them that they are welcome anytime. Whenever they need help without extra effort. Diba? More formal naman to say, I can't thank you enough. I am truly, really grateful. Absolutely. Or kahit ano pang adverb na may ly synonymous to this. These are perfect for people you respect a lot. Those who are very important. To the people who have helped you a lot at work and at school. Best reply here is, my pleasure. The pleasure is all mine. I'm happy to help. A little posh but still respectful and intelligent response. In times of sad situation naman or breakup, it's a little awkward to say thank you. Or when someone lost their job, and anything that makes people sad, at dinamayan ka. Best way to thank them? Please accept my deepest thanks. Or words cannot describe how thankful am I. This won't leave the feeling of awkward, yet you appreciate their presence and pagdamay. Good reply is this. It was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. To show a warm response naman without being happy in their sad situation. Lastly, very formal to say thank you naman are, Many thanks for. I'm so thankful for. I am grateful for. Then you add what is it that they have done to help you. Like, I'm grateful for the assistance and support. You can also say, your support is greatly appreciated. These are perfect in writing formal letters, emails, and simple reply to business communication, or business cover, business letter for a job interview, job offers, and contract. You, on the other hand, can reply to this by saying or writing, you're most welcome. Simple. Or, we appreciate your business. I appreciate your assistance. There we have it, plain and simple, yet new and more personal ways to say thank you. Maximize it rather than the old and plain, boring thank you and you're welcome. What is your new favorite expression and how are you going to say thank you sa bago mong natutunan? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section. Thanks a bunch for staying until the end and I really appreciate you guys. And here's today's comment winner. Hit that subscribe and click on that notification bell para lagi kang updated. Feel free to leave any message as well so you can be featured in my next video or be the next shout out winner. I will definitely see you in the next one. Class dismissed.